Raise your hand if you've ever believed something about money that turned out to be totally wrong. I spent my 20 seconds broke, confused, and making money mistakes not because I was bad with money, but because I believed some really convincing lies. Today, I'm calling out 5 of the biggest money lies and how to fix them for good. Today, I'm calling out 5 of the biggest money lies and how to fix them for good. We're told this constantly, but getting a credit card before you understand interest or spending habits, that's how you end up in debt before you even start. You don't need a fancy card, you need a plan. Lie hash 2. Investing is only for rich people. I thought I needed thousands of dollars to start. Truth? You can start with $5. Use micro investing apps like Acorns or Stash. Start with your 401k match, that's free money. Buy fractional shares, you can own part of a Tesla or Amazon stock. It's not about being rich, it's about starting. Lie, hash 3. Renting is throwing money away. This one kept me feeling guilty for years. But renting isn't wasting money, it's buying flexibility. Buy when you're ready, not because someone told you renting is a sin. Lie hash 4. You should always buy used cars. Yes, used cars can save money upfront. But if you're constantly paying for repairs, you're not saving, you're stressing. The rule isn't used vs new. It's total cost of ownership. Sometimes new or certified pre-owned is the smarter buy. Do the math. Lie hash 5. More money will solve your money problems. I used to think, if I just made $10k more, everything would be fine. But without changing habits, more money just means more spending. Track your spending for 30 days. No guessing. Automate savings before you see your paycheck. Define your enough. What are you actually saving for? Which lie did you believe the longest? Drop it in the comments, let's talk. And if this helped, smash that like button and follow for more real talk money tips.